So here you have a real example of a quadratic function again. So the formula is y equal to 20x minus 4x squared. So that's the formula. X seconds and y meters. So y meters, s seconds. Complete the table for the height of the ball for the first 5 seconds and draw a graph. Okay, so the first 5 seconds, so x will be equal to 0. Y is equal to 20 times 0 minus 4 times 0 squared, which is 0. So 0, 0. When x is 1, y is equal to 20 times 1 minus 4 times 1 squared, which is 16. So 1 up to 16. When x is 2, y is equal to 20 times 2 minus 4 times 2 squared, which is equal to 24. 2 and 24. When x is 3, y is equal to 20 times 3 minus 4 times 3 squared, which is 24 again. So 3 and 24. When x is 4, y is equal to 20 times 4 minus 4 times 4 squared, which is equal to 16. And the first 5 seconds, so when x is 5, y is 20 times 5 minus 4 times 5 to be squared, which is 0. So 5 and 0. So that's our table of values that we're going to use to draw the graph. So now we're going to draw the graph. Okay, so we complete the table of values and now we're going to draw the graph. So we need to get up as far as 24, so I'm going to give myself a little bit of room, or maybe like so. And the first 5 seconds, so this is your x-axis, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 to 5. And I'm going to go up then 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 20, 22 and 24 on the y-axis. And it tells us the x seconds and y meters. And now we're going to draw the graph. Okay, so we're going to plot the points 0, 0, 1 up to 16, 2 up as far as 24, 3 to 24, 4 again up to 16, and 5 back down to 0. So we join the graph freehand, rounding a nice curve at the top, and you're heading back down. And that is the graph of y equals 20x minus 4x squared over the first 5 seconds. Okay. Now we're asked to use our graph. So we've drawn the graph number 2. Now we're going to use our graph to find the maximum height. So the maximum height, if this is a ball thrown in the air, well, the maximum height is up here. So that's the maximum height, which is about 26 meters. So 24, 25, sorry, 20, yeah, about 26 meters. And the time at which it reaches its maximum height, so at what time does it reach the maximum height? Back down to the time between 2 and 3, so at 2.5 seconds. So that's the maximum height and the time reached. Now we want to show the 2 times when the ball is 12 meters above the ground. So this is the ground. 12 meters is somewhere here. So what time is this here? That's about 0.7 seconds. And 12 also. And that's about 4.25 seconds. So the question asked the 2 times. So part 2, the 2 times are 0.7 seconds and 4.25 seconds. And then finally, we want part 3. The length of time the ball is above 15 meters. So 10, 12, 14, 15 meters. So what length of the time is the ball above here? Okay, so those 2 times is between 1 second, so that's 1 second, and 4 seconds. So above, part 3, above 15 meters, 4 seconds, take 1 second is equal to 3 seconds above 15 meters. Okay?